You know, give them one book, man, where I talk about anger management.
Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Juliet booed Mick Rastafari. Okay, burrito, so let's get into this first topic. So, Juliet Holness, she member of parliament, the wife of the prime minister. She was recently in Florida at a jerk festival, and she was invited there by the consul general Oliver Mayer himself. Him introduced her and all of these things. Now, when she came on stage to greet the people, this is what happened. Oh, Jesus, Pim. Oh, my God. I think this is honestly one of the worst things that can happen to you as a human being. Fear if you get booed. I mean, you just get booed like that? Wow. And it's the way there was, it come like I just one little section or like a one person up there, you know. The brother where recorded him just step on it like, bo, 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 bo. Yeah, man, that. That got to hurt. And it's like, while she talk, she actually, I hear the people in my boo and she try to raise her voice for kind of drown it out. You know, like when you, yeah, but there's somewhere yet and you feel like you're about to go flatulate, bust a little one little, but because, you know, you want kind of drown out the sound, you just kind of talk above you. Yeah. We know me alone do that already. But oh my God, but honestly, Miss Juliet Holness, I'm pretty sure that she kind of understand them because something. She must used to it. She, you know, she's a public figure, so she have to just kind of take the lows with the wins. But burritos, let me know, have you ever booed someone? Or have you ever been booed before? Sound off, give me an experience. Number 9, Cartel, new pick. Me up to the time.
Y'all say me pretty like a coloring book.
Okay, so Vybz Kartel put on a whole full photo shoot. Now, when you know said the king of the dancehall, Vybz Kartel himself, he's serving time in prison for when you understand and up to date, when you get what I try to say. Okay, all right, so now that we're up to date, so this is, you know, he decided to just update the public on his new look and basically show you what inside of a prison cell looks like. Take a pre. But yeah, I guess with these images, he's just trying to make the public and his fans know that he is doing okay. I'm pretty sure some fiance probably still take care of him and visit him, conjugal visits and all of these things. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Sound off, what do you think of Vybz Kartel's latest photo shoot? Number 8, Jada miscarriage. Oh gosh, no, a sad story alert. No, burritos, no. Dancehall rising sensation artist Jada Kingdom recently added to her social media a video that I guess suggests that she recently suffered from a miscarriage. honestly, this is just very unfortunate. Like, I'm very, I feel for her. Like, I've actually listened to conversation and heard a lot of women talk about what it is really like to go through a miscarriage, and nothing pretty. The physical toll, the emotional toll, the long-lasting effect that it will have on the mind. And so I can only imagine how Jada Kingdom might be feeling at this time. And so once again, I forgot big up the women, Berrydos who have gone through this. Like, me no know, like, I think women are some of just the bravest set of people them, because boy, life really just wanna be born, life really throwing some curveball. And the way you can show up to challenges and obstacles, just the different limitations that women face, and they're able to just show up in society with a smile and with purpose, and to just do all of these things that I'm sure that if men forget even 1 ounce of some of them pressure, yeah, we couldn't deal with it. We couldn't deal with it none time at all. So Jada, I'm pretty sure that you sharing this is going to help a lot of women realize that they're not alone in a situation like this. And some of those pray say you get a little counseling and a little healing, and you have a supportive group around you that will help you to get through this. Okay, Berrydos, so you're watching the social media countdown. Make sure you go and subscribe, because we're coming up to Christmas. I know what I want for Christmas. I want as many subscribers as I can get. I'd love to get to the 300,000 mark. So you're watching this right now, whether on the live or not, please to hit the subscribe button. Go and go take your grandfather phone, your grandmother phone, your auntie, your cousin, somebody phone that you can get a hold of, your boyfriend phone, your girlfriend phone, and just go subscribe to the DuttyBerryShow. Come and know why you're not watching the videos week after week and refuse to just hit the subscribe button. Come on, man, please and thank you. Number 7, reactions to Zip FM. Mugungo Stuppies. Okay, Berrydos. So, boy, I know some time passed, when I talked about the entire professional clown situation, him being interviewed at Zip FM, being given a weapon or a piece of board as a gift, all of that. And so, yeah, man, this got social media buzzing. Many people had a lot to say, and it was just like crazy. I'm still in disbelief, but I think no, I'm just hoping that Monique, the young lady that interviewed the professional clown, that she take care of herself, our friends, them gather around her and just understand, say, all right, you take the little L for right now. It was a bad decision, but no, move on. Adjust your life, you can't sit down in the sunken place for too long. You have to just like talk to yourself, say, okay, accept it, and then move on. Like become better, become wiser, different decisions, all of these things. And I'm hoping that she's on that path. No, many people got to talking. Jamaican people are very opinionated. And so Miss Kitty chimed in on the conversation, and this is what she shared.
So even if then your intelligence and sense and sensibility flew away, it flee. Even if you give somebody a gift, give them one book, man, where I talk about anger management, how to respect people, how to respect your rights and others' rights, therapy, something about therapy, something about, humanity. So the same weapon that was used in the egregious act, you get a new one with a bow and a wrapping paper that time, yeah. But you can't make this stuff up. You just can't make it up.
Yeah, man. Miss Kitty, she not got old fair mouth, and Miss Kitty gets very passionate about this, and I do echo her sentiments, because, but as me I say, Miss Kitty, that's just Miss Kitty and how she's going to bring across her message. You also had social media personality, Rushcam, he jumped in as well.
So I never held Zip to any standard as any paragon of virtue or any big news station. But one thing I thought is that the people were sensible. Imagine my shock and surprise when I see Miss Lady here giving this criminal, lawless perpetrator a stick to say, you know what? I saw you beating people with a stick online. So here is a ribbon with a stick to go and defend himself? You tell me now.
You had Prime Minister Youth Awardee Duttyberry, he jumped in the conversation too. So I don't think that Zip should have ever facilitated or given this brother for go and say what him say. Especially the fact that he's going to say that him never believes that the people them needed to get an apology. What you did was straight up bullying. Yeah, man, and of course you had just general social media users all joining in on this conversation. This was the hot conversation. You know, in the middle of it here, so Digital, they decided to remove their ads from Zip FM for a month, and that is a devastating blow to any organization, especially for the December, the Christmas period. So you know Zip FM is feeling it, but as I say, a teachable moment. Take the lessons. Like, I hope this young lady will not be fired, even though I understand say it could be something that an organization would mind to separate from. But I just, no. Like, if she's been doing fine all along, just make this a teachable moment and just allow her to grow. So, readers, let me know what you thought about this entire situation. Just left it to rest right now. I don't want to hear no more about this situation. Left it to rest, okay? Number 6, Sukihana in JA. I never know what I'm going to say right now. Me drumstick. Okay, readers. So, Sukihana, how do I describe her? She's an American online personality that is known for very raunchy, risque type of carrying-ons on social media. She has an OnlyFans page. She is known as just a bad girl over there, quite controversial, but she has quite a fan base who just loves her being her authentic self. Now, the same way how we have a Queenie or like a Mackerel or just one of these personalities, that is what Sukihana kinda is in the American space. So she recently traveled to Jamaica, and boy, I'm not lie, she fit in with the yard girl type of dynamic because Jesus P.
Sukihana the goat in Jamaica.
After being in Jamaica for 5 minutes.
But my readers, let me know, have you ever heard of Sukihana? Sound off below, yay or nay. Number 5, Mummy reunite. Bigungu. Okay, my readers know. So one of the things I just love about TikTok is when people show videos of them returning to their homeland. Now in this instance, this mother and son, they came back to Jamaica after 15 years. I think about 10 or 15 years being separated from their mother and grandmother respectively, and you know they decided to just show up at her house, and this is how it unfolded.
Hello, is Miss Williams?
No, it's not.
It's not Miss Williams?
Sorry. How are you there? Let me sit down before me drop down.
Yes, sit down, Miss Williams.
Wait. See, so sudden.
Alright, she did not come.
So when you're there, and you're not, and that's a surprise. Jesus, what a beginning there wicked to me. So you could have said you're coming up, that wouldn't be nothing. Jesus.
No, talk to me. Isn't this a true Jamaican mother reaction? Like, you know how much time Julie Manga do video about this exact situation? Why is it that we're just not emotional set of people? Like, why we not really instantly think to hug, embrace, and kind of do them little, them little lovey-dovey something there where we see when we watch Family Matters or when we watch Full House or them American sitcom there where them talk about the little, the little situation about healing and forgiveness, and they hear the music coming and then everybody be like, oh my God, I love you. I love you too, mother. And then everybody just kumbaya and just like, aww. Yeah, but in a Caribbean space, yeah, when I have them little mushy something there, their mushiness, they're burn up. But it was nice to see that they eventually did get around to the hugging. And so I just hope that they spend more time together. I would just love to see moments like this, burritos.
Oh. They were saucy them. They were saucy them. What do you mean? No, sir. Me can't believe she this. Because as me depend, I called Maxine.
But let me know, Burritos, what is the longest you have gone without seeing your mother or father or children? Sound off below. Shenseea attacked me? Oh gosh, no, this is just one of the crazy stories in the countdown this week. So, London on the Track's baby mother by the name of Ebony Ivory posted a couple Instagram stories calling out Shenseea and her son Rogero. Just like, honestly, like this was just like totally messy. Now she posted a bunch of stories that would suggest that some foul play may have occurred between her child and Shenseea's child, because it is a, you know, it's alleged, rumor has it, that Shenseea and London on the Track are dating. And so, you might know that London on the Track, he came to Jamaica when Shenseea had her album launch, and he presented her with a lovely, piece of jewelry. And so from them time there till now, people have it say they might be courting. And so now his baby mother, Ebony Ivory, me don't know what end up come go on, but something come go on, and she took to social media to call out Shenseea and her child. Like, me not even gonna go through those stories right now, but it was just like completely messy.
Lord Jesus.
But in the middle of all of this, guess who jumped in? Guess who Jim screeched their way into the conversation? Shenseea's baby father, her ex-boyfriend, father of her son, Rogero. And this is what he shared.
The approach, cause my sister, I get like a highlight, cause I follow the beyond thing. So don't try to create false narratives. Yes, that is correct, but the notions and the motives behind it now is so I can evaluate the situation for myself and kind of make sense out of nonsense, and thing. And once I did that, I realized the situation never really need my energy, you know them way there? So, yeah, that's one to kind of bear in mind, so you're involved. And, yeah, if wrongs were made, that's something them can learn from. And they deserve to get blocked. Yeah, because them IG video kind of short still, but as me I say, pitney involved and thing, is it, and I don't feel like no child deserve to get put on blast just because of the influence was around them. Is it? That not fair. That a big cray. So whatever we can do for kinda not contribute to that, that would be greatly appreciated. Yeah. Hope you have a good night still. Big up on yourself.
Oh yes. And many people, or enough people never know say that is how Shenseea's father look, because for the most part he has kept a very low profile. Like him just kind of stay chill, and I do support him, because if somebody can call up your child, this is a perfect time for you to jump in and to make your 2 cents be heard. Burritos, let me know what you thought about this entire crazy situation with London on the Track, Shenseea and Ebony Ivory. Sound off below. Number 3, New Kingston badness. Okay, Burritos, now this is probably one of the most talked about topics of the week, and it has to do with the incident that happened at New Kingston with a, oh God, I don't want to say the word here, with somebody who might be homeless and mentally challenged on the street, and a random citizen. Now we saw this video between with the two of them, and this woman there seemed as if she was following this gentleman, and at some point the gentleman got quite perturbed, and he decided to, aim his firearm at her.
What's your mama? What's that? I want the bomb this. Somebody else an idiot? I want me just witness a while ago. Yeah, I got a bomb. Let me see your license plate. This man need to go to jail. I'm seeing life.
Now, this got posted on social media, I guess, by some onlooker who was seeing everything transpire and decided to just go and publicize this entire incident. No, this whole entire thing just got messy because of course you're going to have the think species that we're trying to figure out or to establish who was wrong in the incident. Was it this homeless person, mentally challenged person, or was it this civilian? And so I'm just like, wait, no, let me just say this. I know that woman. I'm not even going to call her name. That woman, she cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Like, that's all I'm going to say. She is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And I have been out there being at the ATM, and trust me, this woman would literally just like walk you down, and she does not want to take no for an answer.
I don't cook, you know.
Don't buy no coke here. US dollar you want?
Yeah, CIA.
So you just say?
Thanks. Only some, please.
So I understand for somebody who not used to her, that is just a whole lot. Now, whether or not this gentleman was right for taking out his firearm and, you know, aiming it at her, to each his own. Me glad him never fire it or nothing like that. But honestly, I have more of an issue with the person who recorded the video, recorded this firearm holder and posted it in the public space. That is where I actually find the problem. And even beyond that, my issue right now is that what are we going to do with all of these homeless people, and not just homeless people, the ones who are cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, the ones who have their mental challenges, the ones who can be quite erratic and very unpredictable. I think that is what we really need to talk about right now, because this woman should just have free range for literally just come be a nuisance to each and everyone in New Kingston and whichever area. There are some times when she's actually mellow and pretty chill, you know, but then you do not know at which day her head will take her and she will lash out. And there has been incidences in Jamaica where people who are not mentally stable and are on the streets, they have actually killed innocent people. Some time ago, I think there was a police officer or a member of the JDF who was actually stoned by what we would consider a crazy homeless person. Take up a stone and fling at the man's face, and the man was just pronounced dead on spot. And I think another incident where somebody was dragging and this person literally just come and take a knife. And even the other day, you know, I was just on the road on Hope Road, and I literally saw a homeless, mentally challenged person. See, he was running down school children like some Ardenites. And police, they were across the road and they did nothing. This brother was just like doing this, and he had a weapon in his hand at the time. So I think the real conversation has to be, what are we going to do about these people? Because, as I mentioned, this brother had some restraint and he did not fire. But I'm pretty sure had this been a woman or somebody else who probably a little bit more trigger happy, it could have ended differently. You know, it could have gone a whole different route. But I really feel as if we have to do more about these people, these individuals who are on the street, who are quite unpredictable and sometimes get in the way of just people going about their daily lives. That is what I think the conversation should really be about. But Berrydas, what do you say? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Who do you think was right, you know, are wrong in this entire situation? Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done.
Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run club, sing along. Well then, pick up the friend.
Yeah man, so big up Tyrese Bailey, the young man who jumped into the water at Kingston Waterfront to rescue a woman on Wednesday. Also have to go and big up the scores of students and teachers and just like general individuals who turned up in Westmoreland to mark the World Day for Prevention of Child Abuse. Alright, Berrydas, so now we have to go and big up the new set of Grammy nominees in the reggae category. They are Kabaka Pyramid for his album The Calling, Original Coffee for her album Gifted, Protege for the album Third Times the Charm, Dutty Paul, Sean Paul for the album Scorcher, Shaggy for his album Come Fly With Me. I think this time a lot of Jamaicans will be quite happy because there are no Caucasian people for Uno come Cosmo this year. So this battle is going to be very much internal. Okay? Alright. Number 2, JLP conference. Me green light. Okay, Berrydas, no. Me just talk about like this boy. Them conference here, whether it be PNP or JLP, they know how to bring on the characters. Like me, I feel I wonder, like, do they literally go in search for characters to bring out and to just like put on their best what you call it, superhero energy and flair for the cameramen, for the video light and all of these things?
Tell me your names.
Nancy.
hearing people. One Labour Party, Juliet Holness, anything come after a loser, JLP all the way. One more term for them, who them? Money.
So yeah, so over the weekend, JLP, they had their conference, and yeah man, whole heap of people turn out, whole heap of people they did there in attendance, like yeah. Prime Minister Juliet Holness, you had my Bonononos, Babs the Grain, she was there as well. You know, one bag of excitement, and then you had Juliet Holness, she jump in and wipe off her husband's face, you know, the whole little political optics, you know. I know the JLP is the optics party, but I love them little something. Them I love the little excitement them, because when you have conference, it is really a show. You're really there to kind of entertain, update the public, and you know, and the supporters. But it's also a show, so you have to nice up little something them, man. Yeah. So but the thing that I felt that completely took the cake was this lady who was decked out in green from head to toe. Take a look.
It's your first conference?
No. Always in conference. This is the JLP movie star all the way from Westmoreland. Patricia, we're representing my party. 2022, Grow God for life. Nobody prime minister like this. Juliet Holness for life. All there we say. We take it to them again and we're ready. JLP movie star is ready, working for my party every time.
So what do you expect from today's conference?
Everything should be okay. And we are ready, and you don't know, out and stunting.
What do you expect to hear from the leader today?
We're going to hear everything that we wanted to hear. Good. Later, sweetheart. Movie star from Westmoreland, big up. You understand? Okay then.
When I tell you, honestly, when I tell you that Jamaican people are short of characters, like everyone we are our own comedian, like we are just walking comedians, like this place need for rename Comedy Central. Them type of people and them like a fool in the sheer excitement, yeah, we can create a little ray round them little type of something here, because she not hurt nobody. Okay, so Berry does let me know what you thought of it. Have you ever attended any political conference? Sound off below.
Yo, you watching the DuttyBerryShow? The countdown show, right? The DuttyBerry countdown show. Keep it locked. It's your boy Dak Diggy. Wicked!
And number one goes to Chiney K pregnant. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Chiney K and Danar. They are pregnant. They are expecting a baby now. Come on. Who saw this coming? Now, this just like came out of nowhere. So we have known that Chiney K and Danar, social media influencers, personalities, Jamaican personalities, that they have been you know, hanging out for quite a while now. We've seen them, you know, sharing time and space in each other's videos.
This is why I don't watch them something there. I understand when my run go. That's not funny. You could do better than that.
And so many people, you know, were always like thinking, say, you know, they're rumored to be a couple. But as it relates to being pregnant, I think many people saw this one on their 2022 end of year predictions. So, you know, Chiney K has been posting stuff, you know, she shows her there abroad and stuff like that for quite a little while. And, you know, everybody just like felt like life was going on peacefully. But in real Jamaican influencer style, Chiney K and Danar was just like, watch your style, yeah. Bam! Yeah, man. Christmas present. Bam!
Oh my
And then, you know, if you're following up with all of the antics on social media, then you would have seen that they actually had a gender reveal party. They actually had a party where they invited close friends, family, and loved ones to share in this moment.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know the Dangerous song? Yeah, man, that is literally what they did.
Give them something to talk about.
No, honestly, there will be a royal baby. There will be a royal baby. So come on, round of applause for the couple. Round of applause. Honestly, I think Chiney K pregnancy content, it took a big top tier. It is going to be Chiney K's pregnant, Chiney K as a mother. Come on, reality show. Hey. Management, Chiney K management, Danar management, come on, reality show.
Hey! Yes, that's who you have. Congrats! Yes, I feel like falling in love. Hey! Oh, baby! Yes, hey!
So, Burritos, I'd love to hear from you. What name do you think that they should give this child? What name? We know so the last name going to be Royal, but what kind of name? Right, so Life of a King, theme first name Danar, and Chiney K, her name is Kerry. So how about to try see if we can mush the two names them together? So Kerar, no. Derry, no.
Oh, that? Yes, people are thinking.
Really,
oh,
that?
Oh,
are you serious?
Yeah, them not have them type of name that we can kind of smush together and create something. So we have to go take it from scratch. The last name I got Royal. Oh, I find a name. S-H-E-E with a little something go up there so like what Beyonce have. S-H-E-E-E-S. She's royal. It's time! Yeah, I know that was really corny, but I was just kind of trying to sell the name. Big up Taurus Riley.
And she's royal, yeah, so royal.
Okay, Burritos, so let me know what is your suggestion for a name. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, turn on your post notifications. Please to leave a comment and let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. Do not forget to subscribe as well. Subscribe to the channel, okay? Invite all of your family, your friends, your loved ones, your haters, enemies, every single body. Also follow me on my social media. It is at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise for bookings, just send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay? Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happened at the week, yo, just tune in, zine.